Hi, I'm Ida and I'm Italian. This is my kitchen where I realize my passion for cooking. Today we'll learn to prepare bolognese sauce. Here are the ingredients. The ingredients for bolognese sauce are 500 grams of grilled meat, half pork and half veal. Then we need 3 spoons per person of extra virgin oil of olive, 5 chopped carrots, salt, half glass of white wine, tagliatelle, half onion, celery, 4 peeled tomatoes, and 600 grams of tomato sauce. Now let's see how to prepare it. Now I put the oil that you have seen before in this pot, and then we add the onion. Okay, we have to blend it. Can you hear that it's frying? So let it cook until it becomes light brown. Now you see that the onion is more brown than before, so we can add the meat. Okay. It's fine, so it takes the flavor of the onion and the oil. You have to blind it. So let it cook for 10 minutes. Okay, now we can add the white wine. It has to diminish gradually, so you can let it cook for 5 minutes. I have grinded the carrots and celery in a grinder, so you have to obtain a smooth compound. Now we add it. Okay, so we have to blend. Let it cook for 10 minutes. When you see this color, you can add the tomato sauce. Okay. So you have to let it cook for an hour, okay? And then you add salt as you wish. Here we are. Now you can see the oil that covers the sauce. Now it's ready. When the bolognese sauce is ready, you have to let the water boil to prepare pasta. Now pasta tagliatelle are ready, so we add bolognese sauce in this way. Okay. So you have to mix in this way. Mmm, so tasty. Okay, it's ready. So this is the final dish. Buon appetito!